what is the future of WordPress themes from the point of view of development?
Well, obviously the block themes, which are sort of been what they're called now, to differentiate between classic themes and hybrid themes. See how confusing this is. So block themes are now built in a way that takes full advantage. They're not PHP based, they're HTML based, and they leverage the patterns and the code that comes out of the editor. And so, and the newest of technology and like the biggest sort of diversion from where we've been is this theme.json file, which is starting to sort of serve as the new style sheet. Even though right now both are, basically still part of a WordPress theme. And so because of where WordPress has gone and with all of the blocks and the design controls and settings and stuff like that, and we're going to soon see the style engine and global styles, I'm starting to get to the point where I feel like one theme is all you'll ever need, right? Like in a sense, because you can serve patterns, you can change styles and do things that sort of have typically required just individual themes. Now there's still, I think, arguments to be made for very niche specific things to just still serve a single theme for a single purpose. But one of the challenges I'm facing now, or I've presented myself, is especially with this theme with colors, is how far can you take one theme? It's kind of like a fun challenge. You can make it look so many different ways, and I'm really looking forward to unpacking that.